Greetings one and all, Merry Christmas to everybody. It's December 25th and I wanted to do a kind of a rarity on my channel, but I wanted to do an unboxing. I got this from Kevin's Adventures. Great channel, great guy. He was doing a subscriber giveaway. And this was, estimated delivery date was the 28th, but it came actually last night when I got home, so we're going to crack it open. Let me show you what I got. So I'm going to get the camera turned and we'll get to that. Put the knife away. So I went with the angler kit. And let's see. I have a bag of crawfish. Very cool. I've got a bag of fish hound. Looks like bait. Some lures, some fishing line. See, this is really great because my tackle box is actually very lacking. So, some Evil Claw swivels, excellent. Some worms. So I needed to restock my fishing supplies. Oh, cool! Pair of binoculars. Sweet. Those will come in handy. And they're not very heavy either, so I should be able to take them out on a trail with me. Kind of, I don't know if that's supposed to do that, but I have I have a collapsible rod and reel set. Sweet. That would come in handy for some walking around, maybe some hiking fishes. Eagle Claw rubber core sinkers, nice. Bait of champions. I got a fishing lure, very cool. Another fishing lure. Looks like a bobber. Looks like I got a little combo tool. So it's got a blade. Looks like a flashlight, but the battery is, I think, out. So I'll have to replace that. Got a little, looks like a carabiner or a bottle hook. That's pretty neat. Oh, that one opened up. Oh, wow. Yeah, so the packaging opened and I reached right in and I was grabbing hooks. So, oh, yeah. Another lure that opened up on me. Carabiner, always handy. I've got the Hidden Woodsman haversack. The Hidden Woodsman haversack. Yellow inside. Shoulder strap. That's badass. looks like I have a knife sheath, Kydex. I think I have a knife in here too. I have a I think I have a Mora. Sweet. And I think this Mora goes to this. So I got a Mora sheath and a Mora. And then it's the Mora fillet knife, I think. That's sweet. It's always great getting knives. I got 3 more bobbers. I have a note from Kevin, which I'll read later. I have a Hidden Woodsman pouch. Bushcraft USA, nice. Couple cards from Kevin's Adventure. Or those stickers? Those stickers? Stickers or cards? Refrigerator magnet from Hidden Woodsman, and this cool pouch. Sweet. That's very cool. And a Peterson Guide to Freshwater Fishes. Nice. Whole box full, whole book full of knowledge. That'll come in really handy. That is everything. Awesome. So here's one more look at everything. Man, I'm just really blown away by how awesome all this is. Man, thank you, Kevin. Really. I actually was really lacking in a lot of fishing stuff. So this will go in my tackle box for sure. And the rod, I'll have to look for some places to get this out and do some fishing. It's December right now, but I'm planning on renewing my license for next year. The book will be a big help. I can always use Hidden Woodsman pouches, and of course the Hidden Woodsman haversack. It's just always amazing gear. So again, huge thank yous. Thank you to Kevin. Thank you to Malcolm, who actually, if you watch the drawing, he's actually the one who pulled my name out. So very happy with this. Thank you very much. Man, I'm just actually kind of blown away. It's a really great giveaway item. So I will put all the links down below for Kevin's channel, also Malcolm's YouTube channel, as well as his store, thehiddenwoodsman.com, where you can get all this great gear. I mean, handmade stuff like this, great. I mean, I very much enjoy all the gear I have from Hidden Woodsman. It's just well worth the money. So awesome. Now I'm probably going to head out soon and go have Christmas with my family. So I hope everyone had a great Christmas. This will probably be posted after Christmas, but I hope you had a great day, and I hope Santa was good to you and your family is healthy and safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.